Alright guys, we are out at Gingerman Raceway today. We're with Q the Chaotic again. We've done quite a few videos this summer. This has been the fun collab, man.
Yeah, man.
It's been a good time. And as you can see, we're in his 2022 Camaro ZL1. First time out at Gingerman, but not the first time this has been out on track. We're gonna get things warmed up a little bit, do a few laps, have some fun in this. Best sounding car here today. That's an easy award to give.
Just the warm up, man.
Just the warm up. I'm still impressed at how great this thing is to drive, man. Steering feel, it's engaging, it's visceral. We just got out of a CT4V Blackwing, and this still feels like a special sports car compared to that. CT4 felt really good on track, but it was also a little bit top heavy. It's still a sedan at the end of the day. But this Camaro is purpose-built. We got rev matching on, a little less to do with your right foot. It's a bit weird getting a ride in your own car, isn't it?
It is.
Corners come up real fast in this thing. A set of Goodyear Eagle F1 supercar tires.
Yeah.
Oh man, it just rips. I'm sure the ZL1 1LE cranks things up a notch with terms of aero, but this is still pretty easy to drive. It does all the things you want. It's not going to overheat. You get so much feedback and visceral feel and driving enjoyment out of this Camaro. Dial these things in. track mode right now. Thanks, man. This was a treat.
Oh, thanks for treating me, because I never get to do a tenth of this.
Yeah, I mean, we're not pushing. We're not trying to like burn up your tires, burn up your brakes, get a little squirrely today in this, but gives you an idea of what, you know, some clean laps around Gingerman look like. Getting the line right out here is pretty straightforward, but again, like I said, you can learn the line in a day and then spend the next 10 to 15 years perfecting it.
Yeah.
So, pretty fun though. Man, these Camaros are just great. You have lowering springs on here too, right?
Yep. iBox.
iBox, sweet. Intake.
Yep. Rotofab cold air intake.
Get a little bit of supercharger whine. Yep. And then full MRT exhaust, right?
Right. No mufflers.
No mufflers. I can hear that. Oh, and you have the carbon 1LE wing, right?
I do. Yeah. Forgot about that.
See that in the rear view mirror.
Yeah.
You can't see that when you flip up the digital rear view.
Yep. Force myself to get used to the digital one.
Yeah.
But it's weird when I'm like digging in my nose, like, what the hell?
It is nice. Nice to have. GM does a good job with those.
Yeah.
All right. Cool. Well, there's another fun drive in Q's Camaro. We'll just go this way. You got about a quarter tank left. Good for a few more laps. And then there's a gas station just down the street.
Okay.
Not too far.
Top it up a little bit.
Yep, about 5 miles away.
All right. Cheeks hurt from smiling again, man.
I know, man. It's a problem. You got to do your like cheek stretches before you go out on these things. Oh yeah. All right, guys. Thanks again to Q here. Check out his YouTube channel, Q the Chaotic. And of course, we featured the ZL1 on here multiple times. Great to finally get it out on track. And proud of Q for making it out today. All right, see you guys later.